Damn, look at that toll. Negative 325.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Dying. Her car is dying. Pull over!
At least it looks good here.
Let's see if my car turns on the first try. Welcome back, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm going to take you guys to the alignment shop. I'll finish the intro later.
Hey, I'm the one and not the two. My bitch say I'm a dog and my dog say I'm the truth. Yeah, South Mid.
Your destination.
For insurance purposes. Ay. Ay, ay, ay.
Right now it's doing straight.
And it's turning right. Damn, look at that toll. Negative 325.
That's a brand new subframe, that's why.
The rear of the right side is done. Big tilt.
Just Photoshop my face. Welcome back, fam. I know I didn't give you guys a proper introduction, so welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. From my last video, I told you guys to stay tuned because I have a surprise for you guys, and turns out I can't get the surprise yet. I'm gonna have to do that for my next video. So instead of showing you guys the surprise, I kind of want to give you guys a hint of what I do at the gym. We're gonna hit the gym together. I had to park far because I didn't want to hit anybody with my 20 turn. It's pretty packed. Go ahead, show them. We're gonna be doing glutes and hammies today, so let's get started. I just did 15, meaning did the most I could do it so you can't have it. I think he's just showing off.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it,
We're gonna try 70 because why not?
feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step.
It's taken. I'm gonna need music for this one.
Get her with the Heisman, I'm not on that type of time. Still few hundreds match my diamonds, I understood the assignment. Get a recipe, you just a bag wanna be. Bipolar personality, that's why it switches on my glee.
Keep the form, boys. That's how it's done.
one today because it was mainly really packed in there, so every machine that I wanted to use was kind of like taken, so I didn't want to wait, but we did a lot, so, and we went heavy, so that's what counts.
I don't think your car will be dead now
Let's see, let's give it a try.
if it starts. Captain Dante here to save the day. First try, you think? See, it would have been first try last time if I was the one starting it too. No offense. Exhaust has completely left the chat. Completely left the chat. Quick little story time if Steph doesn't tell you. Yeah, she was reversing into the parking spot and then yeah, she hit her exhaust on the curb. That was frame sparks, that wasn't exhaust spark. Exhaust is just like tapping the floor. Literally no one wants to drive past Steph or even next to her because of all the shit she's kicking up behind her, all the rocks and stuff. No one wants to even go past.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Jesus! Oh shit, her car's dying. Her car's dying. Pull over!
And now here we are on the side of the road. Yes, yes, yes. All right, boys. Well, ladies and boys, it's been a good day. Steph got her alignment. Her car drives much better. Her exhaust is on the floor, but you know, we'll save that for like another video. The car is dying right now. The battery light is on, but I think it's because her alternator is bad and her battery, I think, is drained as well. And you know, she wants to send it anyway. This guy's recording her. W rollers, W rollers. I think this is a good thing for Steph. She needs to replace the battery and alternator, do the exhaust, front camber, and then her car will be fucking mint, baby.
Okay fam, that concludes the video for today. Thank you for those special words over there. They basically concluded my outro. Basically said everything I needed to say. With that being said, I also want to start doing gym videos, gym vlogs, eventually starting a series of just gym, so you guys can join me in my gym journey as well. Watch me grow. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go give it a like, comment down below, subscribe so we can reach 5K. See you guys in the next video. Peace.
We'll see you guys in next week's banger or next time she uploads. She's bugging. She just cut this person off. Look at her foot.